Whenever we get to this section of the country, down in the Keys, we always stay at Largo Kampground, assuming we can get in. It has a nice campground, kept very clean, and it also has the biggest pool around, and it is a heated pool. Not hot, but heated. And we always go there at night, and then it closes at 9 or 10 o'clock. I can't remember which one. And the ranger goes around and he'll tell us, you look like you're having so much fun in that pool and relaxing. I will do the rest of my duties around the campground and come back. And you have to get out then.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.